Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Okay, so of course you can go through it if you're opening the camera for the very first time. So here we've got the camera, and as far as I can see, we do not have the timer icon right here, but that's okay. Let's make sure that you're on the photo mode and enter the settings. So let's tap on them. Here we have to find the timer, which is in the general section. Let's tap on the timer, and in this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds delay, so simply tap on the option like to use. It will be notified right here immediately. So now we can go back to the camera. Unfortunately, we do not have any kind of information that we've got the timer set, so you can be surprised if you forget that you've previously set the timer and you want to quickly take a photo, but that's okay. All we have to do now is to tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 I believe, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. So this is how it works. It will appear right here. So let me quickly turn off the timer. So settings again, timer and off. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.